I don't know, coño! Yo, so my boy just got a brand new car, so it's my first time in the V. You already know my boy got the red interior. Hold on, let me put my... Okay. My first time seeing the car, hearing the car, everything in the car. Let me put on my seatbelt real quick, because I don't even know if he could drive. But it's alright, though. This shit fire, though. Look at this. Oh. You know what my favorite thing is, bro? It's the red stitching. That shit is fire. I don't really know much about Audis, but and the steering wheel's fire. Oh yeah, this shit's clean, bro. Bro, you like your car, bro? Shit fire. Nice and clean. Okay. This a, oh, go right. Nigga, this is a one way. Nigga, yo, when you get your license, bro? You
gotta tell me where to go. Nigga.
Yo, you should have made it right, but it's alright. But you was, nigga, what do you mean? You was about to go into a one way anyway.
I didn't repeat though. Nigga, that's a big ass street.
That's a fact. But just go right. You almost like, oh, bro, the verbals when you like tune it, it's probably gonna go crazy. Go right, nigga. All right, goes. Nigga, I say go right.
I'm not paying attention. Where go now?
But just go right at the light.
Man, fucking bumps, gang.
Nah, the seats feel like mine, though. I think it's because it's new. How many miles you got?
30 something, 35.
Oh yeah, the seats is brand new still, cause they're like a little hard. Damn, but why this not black though? What's up? I mean red. What's up with this? Do you have like different modes though, or is this like?
I have it on dynamic.
Well, what's like the fast one? Dynamic?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's on sport right there. I need to turn traction control on.
Yeah. Nah, you don't hold though.
Yeah, I have to hold it.
Oh, right. Cause for me, like if I hit it once, it turns it off. But if you hold it, it turns up this DCS some shit. That's really like no grip. But nah, bro, I can't get over this little ass screen.
Red light
It's
camera.
tiny like a phone.
Where can I go to launch control?
We're gonna make. Oh, I'm gonna take you right now. At that light over there, on the red light. You're gonna make a right. And it's nice though, I like it. It's big though inside, yeah?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's pretty big, like up here is big, back there, yeah, I don't fit back there. I don't fit back there, but up here we good. Comfortable to drive, the steering wheel soft?
Oh, nigga, Jason shit is hard as hell. Is yours hard?
Yeah, well mine switches, so when I have it in comfort.
This one switches too, it gets hard.
Yeah, when I put it
Jason's is always hard, I don't know why.
When I put it in sport, it gets hard. When I put it in comfort, that shit is like man soft. You can make it right. Yeah, but when you upgrade, do a couple of things to the exhaust, yo, this shit really about to move. You bought that thing, the shit you sent? You didn't buy it? Nah, yeah, that shit nice. Yeah, keep going straight. You set the launch controller?
Yeah.
You need it straight away. Yo, and you got the S right here in the back. Okay, I don't even got nothing. What's up? Well, I wish my shit had red seats though. That shit would be elite.
Is nobody behind us?
No. Right here. Damn, nigga, you the things. Oh. But you gotta have it manual, bro. When you launch it. Nah, but I'm saying it's better though. When you have it manual.
Okay, that was kind of fun. That was my first time launching it.
Oh, it was?
Yeah,
you rev it to like 3,000
It has a
RPMs.
boost meter, so when the boost is
Oh, you see it?
When the boost is all the way, that means I can
Let go?
Let go.
Oh, yeah, I don't have a boost meter. I just you know. Damn, bro, you got full tank? Da muchimi, loco?
I filled it up yesterday night.
How much it cost to fill it up?
I don't know. I did it from halfway. It's like $40.
From halfway?
Yeah.
93, right?
91.
That's what you're supposed to put?
Yeah, 91.
91 is the middle one, right?
91 is it's all the way on the right.
So it's 93, no?
Oh no, 91 is the middle one.
Yeah. 91 is the middle one.
It's about 93 and shit.
Nah, that shit fire though. I ain't gonna lie. Y esta vainita, mi gente. Y
It's,
esta.
it's like the fan. Close it, open it.
How you turn it? Oh nah, this is like you know what car I seen this on? Like Mercedes be having their stuff like this, where they be moving it with your hand.
It got parking. It can park by itself, but I don't know how to do it yet.
What do you mean park by itself?
You press this button, it parks it by itself.
Yo, my son is the 2020, right? 2020 S3.
Yeah.
And he got the roof right here.
This is a panoramic roof.
Oh, dang.
So it's big as hell.
I know, I saw when he took that thing mad, babe. Yo, nah. Yo, that steering wheel was fire, though. I think that's my favorite thing. The steering wheel, the red seats, and the red stitching is my favorite. Oh, and the front.
Yeah, this wasn't the one I wanted. I wanted the one with the digital shit, but they didn't have it. He was like, oh, I got a 2020 one. And I was like, let me see it. And I was like, fuck it. He was like, yo, just think of it like this. You get red seats instead of regular seats.
That's a fact.
And like, instead of the digital dash. And I was like, fuck it.
I would have took the red seats over my digital dash, too. Red seats.
That shit is fire, though. The digital
Nah, that
shit.
one's, the digital
You can
one.
put the map on there and everything.
Oh, yeah, that is fire, though. Nah, but for that, you probably would have had to pay way more, too, if you wanted red seats.
It was cheap. Oh, if I wanted red seats.
Yeah.
The one I wanted was like
Red light camera ahead.
33,000. This one was like 40,000.
Yo, why you have Siri talking to you? I hate that bitch. Or the map. I be turning that shit off. Alright, y'all. So your boy I'm about to drive it back to the crib now. Oh, and you got the Audi symbol thing.
Audi logo.
Oh. Nah, cause how he got. Yo, who my neighbor though? He got the same car as me. What's up? I like it. It's so. Oh my God, this steering wheel got me. I like this right here, this flag shit. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, your steering wheel's good. It's like responsive. Mine is looser than this one, I think. When it's on comfort though.
Is when you start hitting high speeds, it starts feeling like tighter.
It's nice though. Oh, hey. You got the paddle shifts right here. You play with the paddle shift before?
Not yet. I haven't got that far yet.
Shit right here, bro.
Yeah, there's nobody behind us. Yeah, go brake.
I know how to launch control. I do it on my car. I don't know, go yeah. But it's a little it's like delayed. I feel like.
Yeah, cause it has to build the boost.
Yeah, it's a little delayed. Tell you shit, but nah. Yo, when you tune this shit,
Nah, it's gonna be out.
this shit about to fly. Cause when you tune in, you switch the downpipe that is restricting the boost and all that shit. When that shit's straight through, oh man, that shit about to take off. I haven't even done the launch control in my car in that long. I'm about to do it today when I go to the gym just cause I don't know what to feel like again. But nah, that shit nice though. Oh my God, cuando le pongamos un sonidito. You're gonna make the front black? All that? You're gonna black everything out?
It's already black, but yeah, I'm
saying
the
like
logos,
the
yeah.
logo and stuff. Nah, that shit nice, bro. Congrats, bro.
Thank you.
I'm feeling I got a car. I don't gotta go pick them up. That's it. Nobody hit me up for pickup, nothing. Now y'all pick me up. Well, look, they want it. Yo, now that you have the car, you see
That's an
shit.
A3 though.
I know, but like they looked about the same.
Yeah.
Nah.
You can just tell by the logo. It's like the BMWs.
Yeah.
And I got 4 exhausts. That shit got like 2.
Oh, they have 4. Jason liked it too.
Yeah, he was whipping that shit OD.
I need brakes because my brakes do not brake like this, yeah? I be having to hit my shit. My brakes be making noise. I think it's time for them. And it be shaking too. Like when I brake, like the steering won't be doing this.
Oh, nah.
My car tweaking, bro. Oh, what's up there? Nah, but it's comfortable though. But it feels like mine though. Like it's kind of rough though. Like you kind of feel it. The bumps a little bit.
Shit. Dude, once I tune it, I'm scared of this shit once I tune it.
Yeah, when you tune it,
That's gonna be too
That's
fast.
how you gotta drive it like this for a little bit, so you get the hang of the car.
Yeah, I'm getting used to before I'm used to driving my mom's shit. So the gas, when you hit it in a Honda, nigga, that shit takes mad long to go fast, nigga.
Yeah.
This shit, nigga, that shit instantly. You put a little toe on it, nigga. Shit out.
Oh, shit, that's though. Oh, dude. You gonna make me want to drive my car. Oh, my car be tweaking.
The music just turned on right now. Alright, bro.
How's the thing? Let me see. Oh, you have the sensor like me and I showed you when you turn?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit nice.
Alright, bro. Yeah.
Let me put in the thing. Let's look. My boy better be out. Yo, good shit, bro. I'll see you. Be safe on that beast, bro. You heard? I'm so super excited for my boy's new, beginning. He's been wanting a car for the longest, and he just hasn't found it. And when he got this new job opportunity, he said if I get the job, he's gonna get the car he wanted. And so, hey, I'm proud of my boy. He did it. So if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, man. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos with this baby right here. And yo, if you guys want to see the build that we're gonna do on it, let me know. I'll record it and post it for you guys so you guys can watch and just build it with us. So hope you guys did enjoy, man. Welcome to anybody that's new. What's up? Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.